and hi, I'm Nur Aisha. I will start this presentation with introduction. Cimb Islamic Bank is regulated under Malaysia's Islamic Financial Service Act 2013. Other than that, Cimb Islamic Bank has been listed on the main market of Bursa Malaysia since 1987. And Cimb also one of the largest banking group in Southeast Asia, with over 33,000 staff and around 25 million customers. Furthermore, Cimb Bank was established to fulfill the financial needs of consumers who need Sharia-compliant banking services. Deposits, financing, investment, and wealth management is the product and services that offered by Cimb Islamic Bank based on Islamic principles. All these products and services are designed to comply with Islamic law Sharia, which prohibits riba interest, gharar, excessive uncertainty, or haram forbidden activities. Cimb Islamic Bank structures its product to ensure they generate profit through trade, investment, and services rather than interest. And besides that, this bank offers a variety of accounts such as saving accounts, current accounts, and fixed deposit accounts. Next, I will explain about the types of account for Cimb Islamic Bank. Firstly, saving account is typically offer profit sharing instead of interest. Secondly, for current accounts, it is provide the flexibility of a regular checking account. Current account offers features like check facilities and online banking to facilitate business transaction. And the last one is fixed deposit account have a two types such as fixed rate income account and term deposit. Cimb Islamic Bank is also committed to contributing to the community and promoting social welfare through various initiatives.
Next, we will go to the history of Cimb Islamic Banking. Cimb Islamic was launched by Tan Sri Datuk Sri Dr. Zeti Akhtar Aziz, Governor of Bank Negara Malaysia on 2nd June 2023. On 24, a Shariah unit was set up under Cimb Niaga in Indonesia. On 6 June 25, Cimb Islamic merged with Commerce Tijari Bank. And on 26, Cimb Islamic embarked on a rebranding exercise, and Cimb Islamic was rebranded in unveil its new logo in green. Also, there are window begin in Singapore. And on 28, they launched EcoSafe iSaving account. Next, on 2010, Cimb Islamic revenue crossed the RM1 billion mark for the very first time. On 2012, a strong system of internal control was put into place to ensure a more effective and efficient Sharia compliance on a group-wide basis. And on 2030, they are closed the year as the largest Islamic bank in the world by the branch network and the second largest Islamic bank in Asian asset. On 2015, they are continued its stronghold as the leading sukuk house by topping Bloomberg Global and Malaysian Sukuk League table. On 2017, Cimb adopted the Islamic First strategy and continued to improve customer experience and strengthen its product suite with the launching innovative new product. And on 2019, Halal Biz Ready was developed to equip the critical mass of high potential and export-ready SMEs with necessary financing to build a robust halal infrastructure. Next, on 2020, Cimb Islamic was the first bank to introduce Islamic collateralized community murabahah, and Microbis Ready was launched. On 2021, Cimb Islamic launched iTekat Cimb Islamic Rider Entrepreneur Program and Cimb Octosaver Saving Account. On 2022, Cimb Islamic Bank rolled out a Cimb Auto Dealer app. Is it a mobile application? On 2023, they launched a specially tailored modules for 6th edition of Entrepreneur Program Cimb Islamic and extend iTekat Rider Entrepreneur. Last but not least, on 2024, Cimb Islamic Foundation commit RM1.8 billion towards the Harapan Ramadan 2024 program.
The next topic will focus on awards and achievements. Cimb Islamic Bank has won many awards and achievements since 2008 until now. As you can see, here are some awards and achievements won by Cimb Islamic Banks.
Next is a product. Cimb Islamic Bank offer a lot of product. The first one is a current account I. The principle of wadi'ah and cards. This account provide return while offering the convenience of online application, saving time and hassle. With feature like check, debit card, account holder can easily manage payment and expenses. Second, fixed deposit I maturity return. Offer to account holder the convenience of partial withdrawal while still enjoying competitive profit rates. Next is a term financing I, which is ASB. Operates on the concept of murabahah tawaruk. ASB is a highly secure investment scheme in Malaysia, designed to help individuals grow their wealth and achieve their financial goals. ASB unit holder can use their unit as collateral to obtain financing from bank or other financial institution. Fourth, under property financing is a home flexi smart I, Sharia compliant financing solution aimed to existing customers in expediting their repayment of their financing obligation. This product provide a flexible payment structure that allow customer to save on profit from the outside and release their dream home with a shortened financing tenure. The last one under credit card is a Cimb Platinum I credit card offered in a collaboration with the major Malaysian oil and gas company, which is Petronas. It is designed to reward cardholder for full purchase and provide additional cashback and benefits on everyday spending.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and today I'm going to explain to you about principle of Islamic banking. So for the number one is prohibition of interest, which is also known as riba. Islamic banking strictly prohibits the payment or receipt of interest. Instead, it promotes profit sharing and risk sharing arrangements. Any guaranteed interest on loans is considered exploitative and it is forbidden. So for the number two is risk sharing. Financial transaction must involve some level of risk for both parties. Islamic banking encourage profit and loss sharing models where both the bank and the customer share the risk and reward of investment. For the third one, asset-backed financing. All financial transactions must be backed by tangible assets or services. This ensures that the money is not treated as a commodity but as a medium of exchange to facilitate trade and investment in real assets. And for number four is gharar. Gharar is transaction involving excessive uncertainty or speculation are prohibited. Islamic banking promotes transparency and requires that all terms and conditions be clearly stated to avoid ambiguity and ensure fair dealings. For number five, ethical investment. Investment must be in socially responsible and ethical ventures. Islamic banking forbids investment in businesses that are considered haram or forbidden, such as those involved in alcohol, gambling, pork products, and other activities prohibited by Sharia. And number six, profit and loss sharing models. Islamic banking use various profit and loss sharing models, such as mudarabah, which is profit sharing, and musyarakah, which is joint venture. In these models, profit and losses are shared according to pre-agreed ratios and aligning the interests of both parties. And for zakat, Islamic banks are often involved in charitable activities such as the collection and distribution of zakat, which is a form of almsgiving to support those in need. This reflects the ethical and social responsibility aspects of Islamic finance. And for the last one is transparency and fairness in Islamic banking. Transparency and fairness are fundamental principles in Islamic banking, ensuring that all financial transactions are conducted ethically and justly. These principles helps to create trust between the bank and its customer and align with the broader ethical framework of Sharia law. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Now we focus on differences between Islamic banks and conventional banks. The first differences is prohibition of riba in financing. Unlike conventional banks, Islamic banks do not allow interest-based financing due to the prohibition of riba. Instead of that, they use asset-backed finance like profit-sharing mudharabah, joint ventures musyarakah, cost-plus financing murabahah, and leasing ijarah. These strategies comply with Sharia law and encourage moral investments. On the other hand, conventional banks do not limit operations based on ethical or religious principles. In other words, their financing is interest-oriented, thus, this distinction significantly impacts the type of financial products and interactions between banks and their customers in each systems. The second difference is risk sharing. Islamic banking emphasizes risk sharing, where the bank and client share the benefits and drawbacks of exchanges to create a partnership-like relationship. This differs from conventional banking, where the borrower bears the risk due to the bank guaranteeing a return. This distinction highlights that Islamic banks prioritize fair risk distribution and ethical financial practices, distinguishing them from conventional banks' profit-driven and interest-based models. The last difference is zakat, which is a religious tax. Islamic banks are required to make zakat a religious tax in order to comply with Sharia law. They set aside around 2.5% of their earnings for community development and social welfare, promoting initiatives like healthcare, education, and poverty alleviation. Meanwhile, conventional banks do not have zakat or religious responsibilities, but they can participate in voluntary corporate social responsibility (CSR) programs. This distinction highlights that Islamic banking is deeply linked to social justice, while conventional banking primarily focuses on shareholder returns and profit maximization without requiring religious charity contributions.
For the conclusion, Cimb Islamic Bank is the third biggest commercial bank in the country by asset with over 8 million. All services that Cimb Islamic offers, such as investment banking, asset management, and financing, are based on the Sharia principle in order to fulfill customer needs who are Sharia compliant. Cimb Islamic Banking provides a structure that is full of the good morals and fairness for all consumers. This principle supports a more equitable and sustainable financial system. In addition, one of the achievements achieved by Cimb Islamic Bank is the Bankers Islamic Bank of the Year 2023 awards. Cimb Islamic Bank stands as a major institution in the worldwide Islamic finance industry, offering various Sharia-compliant products and services. Its achievement and award in the industry make it a benchmark for excellence and integrity in Islamic banking. That's all from us. Thank you.